Okay, finally found the cure. So you just leave the two there. You're gonna go here, iMovie, file, share, file. Describe it. How to upload to YouTube part 1. Next, where we're going to save it to, desktop, OBS, we want this organized. OBS raw. New folder. iMovie. Ready for YouTube. Okay, let's go back to our iMovie. Save. Is it doing it? Is it there? Oh my God. That can't be it. 0 bytes. I think it's working. Or it's figuring something out. I can't tell. Exporting. 3 minutes. There it is there. It's up in the corner. Okay, so don't panic. It's there in the corner. So it is working. There we go. That's how it works. All right. Well, I'll stop this and I'll see you guys once this is done. Or I can just record it all and we're going to learn to fast forward and start making some cleaner videos, some nicer videos for you guys. Yeah, it's moving pretty quick. We'll just let it go. You guys can just fast forward 2 minutes. And that'll get you there. I'm going to have a sip of my tea. And any suggestions, hints, comments. If there's something you've seen here that can help me progress, especially with the apps, how we're doing the videos, stuff like that, comment below. Shout outs for sure, collaborations, anybody who's a self-starter, night owl, just you're looking to do more. You have the time, you have the energy, you got the focus, and you got the tools. Let's get together. Let's do a collab. What projects are you working on? All right. I would really like to do that in the future. Now I am leaving for Asia in January. I'll be gone till April. But I'll have my phone and my iPad with me and probably just be doing some travel videos and stuff. And slowing down to this. Okay, this should be done. Let's go have a look. It is there. Sorry, guys. Let's have a look. How come I'm not hearing no sound? Why is there no sound? Oh my God, what's going on? Back to here. Back to iMovie. There's sound. Okay, let's pause this. Is there a sound option? Oh, there is sound. All right. Whoa. Got worried there. I'll do upload to YouTube part 1. All right. So we're gonna save that. And that's in the iMovie ready. Exit. 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 Okay. So we're done with those. We're not gonna put them in there just yet. You guys already know how to upload to YouTube, so that's the editing video. I'll see you guys in the next one.